Good early AM, 1:05 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm XRP Future Millionaire, and I wanted to bring an update because I know we talk a lot about trading and whatnot, but we also have to talk about market setup and future potential here. I want to keep us all on the same track because we are trending lower. We are getting closer and closer to breaking this 30 cents handle, and it's a spectacular thing. So I can't wait for this. It very well could happen tonight. This is XLM right now because I didn't update it earlier, but I want to thank everybody for tuning in. I really want to thank everybody for giving me the chance, the time, and giving my channel the respect it deserves, because I believe we have a very loyal audience, and I think we do things different. And as a lot of comments are saying, and I love seeing it, a lot of the bigger channels are watching what we're doing now. So that means when you got eyes here, we know we're doing the right thing. So if you're one of the bigger channels watching, welcome. We do things a little bit differently here. We're accurate. No FUD. Try it sometime. So this is what we're in. If we break this pattern, we break this kind of rising channel. I mean, you could call it a rising channel. You could call it like a extended bear flag maybe. But it looks like a W reversal. And if this is kind of like a bull flag, this pops back up to here. That's why I wanted to come on. This could absolutely fill this out from about right here and pretty much fill up this entire target if we got the move. And this is for XLM. This is also for XRP. If this holds, we'll pop back up here. If this doesn't hold, we knock down 20. We'll knock down 20 cent XRP. We'll knock down 10 cent XLM after a back test. But this is likely, it could be creating a W here. So we'll see what happens here. This should be interesting, because if that's a bull flag, this will come up to about 11.3. With XRP, it's the same deal. We didn't break up yet, but if we break down, it's the same thing like I was showing. I don't think I actually showed. So if we break down, we would double bottom right here. So a breakdown target would be 0.28. What was that, like? There was a 2.7. Nope, 2.8380. So 2.8380 if we break down. And then if we break up, it's easy to see. We're gonna come up to basically this box. And it'll be the cup and handle right here at 32,320. So you basically got, if you break to the top side, you got 30, what is it? About 32 cents. And if you break to the bottom side, you've got 28,280 would be the next target. As we play out here in the next couple weeks to month, I want to make sure everybody understands what the actual pattern is. This is just for today. Short term, if we break up, we go to 32 cents out of this bull flag, what could be conceived as one, and a W reversal could possibly be starting here. Or if we break down, we go to 2.828. And we'll double bottom there on the downtrending support. We also have downtrending resistance. But if we break out of this zone, that'll get us up to the cup and handle. So that's what we're looking at here. And then as the week plays on, next week, maybe two, we're going to come down and we're eventually going to break the 30 cents here. We're going to break down 30 cents. We might have one nice push here, but on Tuesday, I feel like fireworks are going to happen. And don't take this lightly. So immediate short term, we could push up here. But if we fail to get across the 20-day, it's going to be an issue. But I think we have enough steam to probably make one last push-up attempt. I think we do. But obviously, we could get rejected at the 20-day or this uptrending or this downtrending resistance and then reverse down real quick. So pay attention to everything I'm saying for the short. And especially like the medium to longer term, what's going to happen as we continue to break down these doors and levels. We're going to have a historic collapse before this is over. So, like I said, this is either going to play down like this, or you're going to get one more level and this will play out like a bull flag, and then it'll probably just fail here and come down. So XLM's kind of got an uptrend like this, downtrending resistance. So something like that, and it's trying to break out of the range as we speak. So that's what we're looking at for DGB. DGB in the longer grand scale we're going to be down farther. But I called 008, and then we got to 008. I said also after 008, after a failed retest up, we could come down here. And then I said we could possibly flip another 0. So we're going to pay attention to DGB. It's going to be hard to flip another 0, but it's possible. So we're in a descending triangle. This is a long pattern. This is the pattern that goes all the way back on Tether to August 2020. And I'm going to be switching this up to the USD chart for tomorrow. So yeah, this is what we're looking at. DGB is going to either hold this support if it comes out at 00762, which I don't anticipate to probably fall down there. I mean, it could in the daily, but I'm saying in the immediate short term, I think we might have another layer up. But it would have to break this right now. But if the layer comes up, we'll come up to about, I would say 00976 as a nice fake out. Or we could get capped here real hard at 00943. But obviously we'd have to get through this range. But it does look like a sneaky W reversal on an inverted head and shoulders, if it plays true. So that's what I want you guys to see. Make sure to hit that like button. And I embrace each and every one of you. And for anybody who does the copy trading, I had a great night after everybody was probably in bed. We had our last 7 trades. And we ended up, after having a terrible start to the day, we ended up, as it says on my thing, plus $111 per person on average. So, and I looked it up. We have 54 active traders, 83 people in the group. Out of 53 active traders who have actually traded, 47 out of 53 are in the money. And we have 11 or 12 traders that have hit pretty 5 figures or more using my trades. So we can put the rest to bed. We know what we're doing here. We're a step ahead. And I'm evolving each and every day because I take accountability with my community. If people are taking losses, I try to figure out a way to make it better, and I try to be more transparent. I've come a long way in the last 16 months, and we're going to go a lot farther in the next 16 months. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor, so should you take my advice? No motherfucking way you should. But I massage the charts. Oh, yeah. And the charts in response gives me info.